I never imagined it was so easy to extract avocado oil. If you have dark avocados at home that have already started to spoil, don't throw them away. In this video, I'll show you a practical way to reuse the avocado, even if it's already spoiling. For this, we're going to use 2 avocados. First, cut the avocado in half and remove its seed. Then just scoop out, removing all the avocado pulp. And the ideal for this tip is to only use the avocado that is already close to spoiling. But as a demonstration, I'll do it with an avocado still good for consumption. After removing the pulp, we're going to mash it until it is homogeneous. If you prefer, you can use a mixer or a blender. The differential for this oil is its great use, being perfect for use in salads. Now we will put all the mashed avocado in a pan. Then turn on low heat and mix. It is ideal to use a spatula to stir well all the time. In a few moments, you will notice that the consistency changes and also that the oil separates from the pulp. That's exactly what we need. I bet you never thought about using avocado like this. For sure, you will be surprised with the use of its oil. After staying in the pan for a while, you can turn off the heat. Now with the help of a clean cloth, we're going to completely separate the liquid. For this, place some in the center of the cloth and then squeeze. Just like I'm showing in the video. Don't worry if some pieces come out, as we will strain them next. And this liquid is a powerful ally for use in diets, being rich in vitamins. It also helps prevent various diseases, such as diabetes and high cholesterol. After extracting all the liquid with the cloth, finish by passing it through a strainer. And here, I have the amount from 2 large avocados. This is simply wonderful, and you can use the oil as you prefer. This is going to help protect the health of your eyes, skin, and hair, in addition to boosting your immunity and aiding in weight loss. Avocado oil also prevents cardiovascular diseases, being a healthy fat with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. It is also an interesting option to support arterial health and improve blood circulation. So don't forget to try this great tip at home. I'm sure you're going to love the results. Besides saving food and avoiding waste, you will keep your health up to date and your immunity system strong as steel. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.